My Fireworks on Earth is a new drama co-produced by Yang and Wang Churana, which is currently in full swing. Recently, a new Reuters map of this drama was exposed again. This time, the two leading actors came to play pigs in the same frame. In the Reuters picture, you can see that Yang was wearing a camouflage coat, desert boots, and neat short hair that very much like a soldier. On the other hand, Wang Churana was wearing a purple coat and a long purple dress, very ladylike. From the way they dress, they give people a sense of being a talented woman and look very comfortable. It seems that the two of them came to a place dedicated to pigs. If you count them, there are at least 11 little pigs gathered in front of Yang and Wang Churana. During the waiting time, Wang Churana couldn't help but slapped a handful of small fragrant pigs, while Yang was just watching from the sidelines and didn't get started. Judging from the photos alone, Yang and Wang Churana are not so familiar yet, and they still maintain a certain degree of life. Thinking about the sweet interaction between Yang and Ali Jerba in You Are My Glory, I feel that this wave of Yang is indeed a bit of a double standard. Of course, this should be related to the personality difference between Ali Jerba and Wang Churana. Compared with Dilareba's carefree and approachable personality, the gentle Wang Churana still needs time to slowly adjust his feelings. My Fireworks is a work focusing on the love story between firefighters and emergency doctors. In the play, Yang plays the fire station chief Song Yan, and Wang Churana plays the emergency doctor Shu Qin. Song Yan and Shu Qin separated because of their family's obstruction, and they met again after 10 years, but they had an intersection because of work. After seeing Song Yan's persistence to protect the people again and again, Shu Qin slowly understood Song Yan. In the end, the two continued to work together, facing the obstacles of their parents, and guarding the beautiful city with their respective professions. This is another hot-blooded modern drama by Yang after Special War Glory. I have to say that Yang in uniform in Special Warfare Glory is really handsome. The editor, a person who is slightly repulsive to muscular men, has been fanned by Yang's perfect figure. And this time, Song Yan is the temptation of a proper uniform, which is really too exciting.